Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my new beauty room. I'm so excited to be here. You have no idea. Like, this might be temporary, but I'm actually loving how it's looking right now. So it might stay like this for a bit. But anyways, in today's video, I have a makeup tutorial. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to look dewy, glowy, how to glow to the gods using a ton of Bobbi Brown products. This video was made in collaboration with them. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Let me know what other videos you want to see on my channel this week. And with that being said, if you want to see how I got this super easy look, did I say it was easy? Because it is a super easy look. Then let's go ahead and get started. So I have no makeup on right now, and before I jump in and start doing my full face, I kind of want to do a mask. I did that in my last video and you guys really enjoyed it. So today I'm actually going to be trying out a new mask. This is the Ola Henriksen Cold Plunge Pore Mask, and it says it has clay and snow lotus extract. I'm gonna go ahead and pull up the claims on this mask because it's supposed to do a lot of good things to your skin, and I want to give you guys some facts. So let's pull it up. So it says it's good for normal, oily, combination, dry and sensitive skin. It says it's a detoxifying, cooling clay mask that instantly reduces the look of pores, smoothest skin texture, and controls oil all day. So it says it's a solution for pores, dullness and uneven texture, and oiliness, which is literally me in a description right now, especially with this whole moving process. It's been a little crazy. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a flat foundation brush and just apply a little bit on the back and then just apply this on my face. I'm gonna apply a nice even layer too, because I feel like my skin has been crazy lately, especially because I've been taking some supplements for my hair and I'm on my day 15. It's like a 30-day process where you're supposed to like see drastic change. And I've seen some change, but I don't want to give you guys like exact details yet. I want to wait till the 30-day mark so I can talk about this product. It's just vitamins, but it's supposed to be like really hyped up on social media. So I want to try it out myself and see what the hype is all about. This feels so cool on the skin. I'm applying this everywhere except on my forehead because I feel like my forehead doesn't really get oily or anything. It's just pretty normal. This is a pretty mask. I'm looking at the screen and I'm like, this is cute. So this is what the mask looks like. I forgot this little piece right here. So I'm just gonna bring it down before it dries down. It's kind of tingling on the outer parts of my face, but it's like a good tingly feeling. It's not like overwhelming or anything. So you're supposed to leave this on for 15 minutes and then you're supposed to rinse it off with cold water. So I'll be back in 15 minutes and we'll see what this mask does to my skin. So it's been about 20 minutes. I went ahead and removed the mask with cold water, and let me tell you guys, it literally feels like I just put Vicks all over my face because it feels so cool and refreshing and soft, and it did matte my skin, but it doesn't feel dry at all. So first impression, I really like this mask. I actually love that it mattified my skin because today we're gonna be doing a super glowy, like luminous look. So I'm gonna go in and moisturize my skin. I'm using the vitamin enriched face base, and this is one of my favorite moisturizers at the moment. I mean, I've been using this for about 4 months now and I'm still in love with it. A little bit goes a long way with this moisturizer. It just preps your skin for makeup. It makes it nice and soft and smooth and just easy for your foundation to go on. So I'm just gonna go ahead and bring this down to my neck and work this on my skin. Right on top of that, I'm going in with this Bobbi Brown Extra Bare Glow Illuminating Moisture Balm, and this is really good to moisturize your skin. It helps energize tired, dull looking skin, and it just brings back natural glow. So I'm gonna go in with just a tiny bit and tap a little bit on the highest points and just blend that in with my sponge. This balm is really lightweight, so you can use it all over the face by itself. You can blend it in with your foundation. Basically, you can use it however you want, depending on your skin type or your skin texture. And today I am going for that glow, that natural inner glow kind of look. So I'm really excited, you guys. I'm so happy. I'm in my new filming room. This background is temporary, but I'm kind of loving it right now, so it might stay like this for a bit. I will be using the backdrops. I'll go back and forth. By the way, if you want to see, the helicopter sounds very low right now. What is he doing? I will be filming an apartment tour, so I will try and get that up before or after this video. I'm really excited about it. It's such a beautiful apartment. It's everything I wanted. I mean, as soon as I moved to LA, this is what I envisioned when I came here, and I had to go through 2 different apartments to get to this one just because, you know, I'm a mess. I'm just a mess and I just can't help it. But I'm really excited about it. The helicopter is really low. I'm kind of worried right now. I'm gonna go ahead and move on to foundation. Today I'm using my MAC Studio Fix Fluid in NC30, and I'm just going to apply a few dots around my face and just blend that in with my sponge. I feel like this is one of those foundations that you know you can go to and trust, and it won't let you down. So we're pretty much done with the foundation. It's looking nice and glowy and dewy and luminous, but not oily at all. I like how that balm really set into the skin and it blended really nice with the foundation. I'm gonna go in and conceal and brighten my under eye. Today I'm using an oldie but a goodie. This is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind, and I'm using it in the shade Neutralizer. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply a triangle shape under my eyes and just blend that in with that same sponge. I'm gonna go ahead and set my under eye, and whatever is left over on the sponge, I'm literally just gonna spread out on the rest of my face, just because it helps set the face nice and lightly and it's not too much, you know? I love it when my base looks so nice and silky and soft and smooth and dewy and luminous all at the same time, but it's not too much. Like, this is my perfect base. Like, this is how I love my foundation looking on an everyday basis. And when it actually comes out like that, I'm just like, thank you, Lord. We're gonna move on to the brows. So for my brows today, I'm going in with this Bobbi Brown Perfectly Defined Long Wear Brow Pencil, and I'm using it in the shade Espresso. Do you see that difference though? Like, it's crazy how much your face shapes once you have your brows done. Like, this side of my face looks completely different to this one. Today I am having a good brow day and I'm so happy about it. Actually a good face day. Like, everything is coming out so good. So I'm gonna move on to the eyes. Today I'm gonna be playing around with the new Bobbi Brown Longwear Cream Shadow Sticks. So I have 4 different shades here. And the cool thing about these sticks is that you can literally use them for so many different things. You can use them as shadows, as I'm gonna be using them today. You can use them to highlight the inner corners of your eyes, your cupid's bow, the tip of your nose, or even your brow bone. They have 15 shades in total, so you can play around with them. I'm gonna go ahead and take Golden Bronze and apply this directly on the lid. This has a really nice creamy formula which stays on the lid throughout the day. It lasts up to 8 hours and it doesn't crease. Oh my god, that's so pretty. I'm gonna bring it upwards just a little bit more and then take my finger and just diffuse it all over the lid. I'm also taking that same stick and bringing it down to my lower lashes, only halfway, because we will be applying a lighter shade on the inner parts. Oh, this is so pretty and it blends out so easily, so you honestly don't even need to use a brush with this pencil. I'm gonna go ahead and take Truffle and bring this on the inner parts of my lower lashes. And this is just going to open up the eyes and highlight that inner corner. On my waterline, I'm going in with this Perfectly Defined Gel Eyeliner, and this is in the shade Chocolate Truffle, and I'm just going to apply this on my waterline and a little bit on my tight line. By the way, you guys, I started a Pinterest board with just inspiration on my new home. So if you want to find out where I'm getting all of my inspiration and how I'll be decorating my beauty room, my living room, my master bedroom, make sure to check out my Pinterest because I have a few boards. I already started shopping for my place. So once everything gets here, I'm gonna start filming the process of decorating everything, and I'm so excited. Like, I'm so ready to make this place so cozy and homey, and we have so many things planned. So you just wait because there's a lot coming that you don't expect. So Be excited. I like using brown on the waterline because it's not as intense as a black eyeliner, but it still gives you that sultry, smoky look on the eyes. So I think we're pretty much done. I'm gonna go ahead and apply a little bit of mascara on my bottom lashes and just even out my top lashes, and then we're pretty much done with the eyes. Do you see how pretty that is? I love this look. Let's go back to the face and define those cheekbones because I need some definition right now. So I'm going in with this Bobbi Brown bronzing powder in Golden Light, and this has more of a cooler undertone, so it's going to nicely define the hollows of my cheekbones. I'm taking the shade Deep and I'm just going to warm the outer parts of my face a little bit more, just a tiny bit. This color is super warm, so you don't need a lot. I'm just gonna swirl the brush around and just warm up the skin and my neck. Make sure that I don't forget my neck. And I think we're done with the bronzer. Oh my God, my skin is looking nice and bronzy. On my cheeks, I'm going in with Santa Barbara, and I'm just going to apply this to the apples of my cheeks with a dual fiber brush. This is a peachy blush with golden shimmer. It's so subtle though that you can't see the shimmer at all, but it is very pigmented, so I would recommend dusting off the brush and then applying it on the skin. The reason I like to use a dual fiber brush with powders is because it gives you more of that natural look instead of packing on the color directly. It just applies the product more effortlessly and flawless in my opinion. So I was undecided between Pink Glow and Bronze Glow, which is this one right here. And I think this is it because look how pretty it looks against my eyeshadow. Oh my God, this is beautiful. This is, I need to tell you what this is because I didn't even tell you what it is. This is the Bobbi Brown Highlighting Powder in Bronze Glow. This comes in 5 different shades. Pink Glow is actually one of my favorites because it's so soft and pretty and great for the daytime. And if you have lighter to fair skin tones, that one is going to look bomb on you. So Bronze Glow will fit more for medium to tan skin tones. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my brush and just apply this on the highest points of my face. And it is a light reflecting highlighter, so as soon as you put it on, you'll be able to see how gorgeous it looks. And what I've been doing lately is I've been applying the highlighter on this part of my face so that when I take a picture, you'll be able to see the highlighter directly in front and it doesn't look like I have a shadow on the side of my face. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go check out some of my last makeup pictures on Instagram. I'll also link them in the description box below. This just helps your makeup pictures look on a point. Also, like, you can tell when I face the camera, you can see the highlighter here, but also when I face forward, you can also see how nice and luminous that looks. So that's just a little trick if you want your highlighter to pop in pictures. So we're pretty much done with the face. I love this look. This is exactly what I wanted. I wanted to look dewy, luminous, and glowy without looking oily and a hot mess. So I'm just gonna go ahead and set my face. I'm using my Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 Replenishing Primer and Setting Spray. One of my all-time favorites, especially for looks like this. Oh, this is so refreshing. I love this spray. I'm gonna go ahead and outline my lips with this MAC lip pencil in Oak. I'm going in with this Lawless Soft Matte Liquid Lipstick, and I'm using the shade Cameron, but can we just take a second and appreciate this presentation? Like, this packaging is everything. It's just so well put together, and I just, oh, this is so pretty. I love this. So I'm gonna take out the lipstick. This is a soft nude shade, and I'm gonna apply this all over the lips. What do you guys think? I am loving how this turned out. This will be perfect for anybody who has oily skin like I do, but wants to do something dewy and glowy and wants to just glow to the gods, you know what I mean? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you again to Bobbi Brown for collaborating with me on this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you all in the next one very soon. Bye.